Road drainage systems have several components which ensure that road structures stay dry in all weather conditions. Poorly functioning components lead to premature pavement failures and can create traffic safety risks. The life cycle costs for roads with a well-functioning drainage system can be 20 to 40% lower compared to roads with drainage problems. Drainage condition monitoring has traditionally been done using visual inspection systems. The problem is that these systems are subjective and cannot be reliably implemented into quality control systems in maintenance contracts. RoadScanner's RoadDoctor laser scanner system has been developed for objective and repeatable monitoring of the most critical drainage components. Ditch bottom depths can automatically be calculated from the laser scanner data, and the results can be shown in point cloud mode together with, for instance, rutting data. Verges prevent water from flowing away from the pavement. They can be located with the RDLS data. Ruts that hold water and create a high risk for aquaplaning can also be detected. Proper pavement crossfall and its smooth transitions are also critical to drainage and traffic safety. Statistical analysis made with RoadDoctor software enables engineers to focus the initial maintenance actions on the weakest links, and their location can be presented on maps. RDLS drainage monitoring technique can be used to first locate sections with drainage problems, and then, after these problems have been fixed, to monitor that drainage stays in good condition. For more information, please contact RoadScanners.